Hello. I think it's very important to know what is right and what is wrong. If I see a friend copying homework, I know it's wrong because it's breaking a school rule and it's not fair to others. If I were in that situation, I wouldn't copy.
Instead, I would politely tell my friend, "You should try to do your homework yourself."
If you don't understand, you can ask the teacher for help.
Aku pun follow checks. I think doing the right thing makes me feel honest and strong. It's always important to be fair and do your best.
Look at this section of the blueprint. If we adjust the angle here.
Wow, that actually solves the whole stability issue.
Good catch. Yeah.
Hi everyone! It's very important to know right from wrong.
Sometimes, it's difficult to choose the right thing. For example, if I find some money on the street, it's tempting to keep it.
But I know it's wrong because it's not my money. Parents taught me to always be honest. I've had to be honest. So if I found money, I would try to find the owner or give it to a police officer. I believe doing the right thing, even when it's hard, makes me feel proud and responsible. It helps me sleep well at night, and it makes our community safer. So always listen to your conscience and do what's right.